Hi, folks. Today is August 25th, 2020. I'm Johnny Azer. But the intent for this tour is I want to take a break from videos because this is the before. I'm organizing the house. And through my father's trust, my in-laws, the executics, Katie, I got a nice, wonderful smart TV. And let's just say you're seeing it before the before and everything, way before. It's going to be like an intense wall of sound once I got everything wired. Space, making use of space. Anyway, we're going out into the living room. As you can see, I'm sorry if it's a mess. And of course, this is the before. I fix things up. I love it. This is boy. He's on thyroid medication. He's over 11 years old. Take a good look at my little man right here. I just love him so. All right, baby. You want to give a big kiss for the YouTube folks? Look at that. You bought it. Anyway, I just want to say the before and everything, because everything is a mess. But I'll tell you, I'll get back to it in a video down the road. And I apologize for that lame video with Rick and Kurt. I didn't do him justice yesterday. I'm going to do it over. Anyway, now we're moving into the kitchen. And as you say, a nice slow sweep. Yeah. As we are, August 25th. And then, I wonder how the rabbit's doing. I don't know why he's hiding this thing. Of course, my beloved rabbit, Boris. I just thought so. How's Boris doing? How's baby boy? Come on, baby. You know everybody loves you. Come on. Give Daddy a big kiss. How come you're hiding? Come on, give Daddy a big kiss. Come on, baby. Oh, he's just like hiding. Anyway, this is Rabbit Cage, and this is the bunny room. This is Boris. That's my rabbit, Boris, as you know. And I say basically for the reason for this tour is that basically, once again, my little prince. Right, baby? You don't look at that face like that. Anyway. But the thing I'm really excited about is I scored a skin coil and everything, and I put Freddie's mattress he has no use for. So, again, I'll let you show off this wonderful smart TV. This is the way you hear it now, but when I wire everything up, it's going to be insane. You are definitely seeing it before. I'm taking a break from videos because, trust me, kiddies, when I come back, that's a surprise. That everything, when I come back, I'll tell you, those videos will be a million times better, and now you can spoil the surprise. That's all I could say. Something is in the pantry. All right, well, intermission before I fix everything up, apartment tour, and beloved pets. Just feel bad. Boris usually comes out, but today he's being shy. I hope he's okay. All right, bye.